Hello, everyone. You're welcome to my video. Today, we're going to be looking at how to um, identify user exits for customer requirements. Please kindly note that this is for people with intermediate level of understanding of SAP SD. This will make life a lot easier when writing your functional specifications as a consultant. So we will jump right in. What are user exits? First, user exits allows you to add custom logic to standard SAP applications without actually modifying SAP's original code. This way, you can tailor the system to specific business needs. Many a times when you go into organizations as a consultant, there are several business requirements now that might not be in the SAP standard logic. So user exits, especially in SAP SD, assist and helps you now to modify the standard logic so that you'll be able to give users, meet user requirements. Now, as an SAP SD functional consultant, there are certain times that you would be required to write functional specifications for those actual business needs. So user exits, knowing how to get user exits easily will make life a lot easier for you. So let's just jump right in. The requirement we have is we need to be able to create different sales document number ranges for different sales organizations with same order type. Now, as I said earlier, we might have had some level of intermediate level in SAP SD. So whenever you're creating a sales order that's in terms of configuration, you usually assign a number range as seen on my screen. You usually assign a number range so that it will be able to create, an internal number range for every order type that you create. Now, order types can be mapped to different sales organizations. So we want a situation where an order type mapped to two different sales organizations, we should be able to have different number ranges for them. And of course, in the standard requirements, we might not be able to fulfill this, considering that we are able to only assign one particular number range to a sales order document in configuration. So how do we quickly get a user exit for our requirement? First, to make life a lot easier, we can just go straight to that particular T code of creating a sales order. And of course, we know that to create a sales order is VA01, VA01. So this is the screen. If we have same order type with different sales organization, the expectation is that we'll have different number ranges. So we want to just go straight into that particular user exit that will assist us in meeting that particular requirement. So we go to more, we go to system, we go to status. Okay, then we just double click on the program screen under SAP data. Double click on that program screen. It will bring us to our ABAP editor, which is this display mode pool of that particular program. Many a times when we're looking for a user exit for our requirements, many of the SD, that's the ones for SAP SD now, they are usually in this particular include, which is MV45AFZZ. So we can just double click on that. When we double click on that, it should bring us to, still the ABAP editor where we will be able to edit the program. That's this particular include. So for instance, we don't know that particular user exit that will assist us in getting a different number range now for different sales organizations. So what we can do, we can just click on the find button here, and then under this screen, we just click on include here and then type in user exit. The good thing about user exits is that they always have documentations on, what that particular user exit can do. So on this particular global search program, you can see the different user exits and what they do. So we are looking for that of the number range, So we just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We scroll and get number range. Okay, here you go. So you just click on that. Okay, so what we see here is this user exit can be used to determine the number ranges for the internal document. So all we need to do is we need to just pick this particular user exit, put in a functional specification document, because most times the programmers require that these user exits are given to them. And then all we need to do is on our functional specification document, we describe exactly the determination requirements now for this that we want them to code, into that particular program. Well, this video is not about showing you what the code is, but how to get, to the user exits. Remember, user exits usually have, good description or documentation on what they do. So once you give these to your programmers, they should be able to assist you in getting, the requirements from the business. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful to you. If so, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and for more tips. Thanks for watching and have a nice time. Cheers.